Title: God's Blueprint for Wealth. Want to know God's actual strategy for wealth? Many believers get this backwards, but Scripture is clear. God already gave us the blueprint. Deuteronomy 8:18 says, "Remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth." Your ability, your gifts, your opportunities all come from Him. Step 1. Recognize your gift. 1 Peter 4:10. Your talents aren't accidents. God designed you with a purpose. 1 Peter 4:10 says, "Use whatever gift you have received to serve others, as faithful stewards of God's grace." When you honor the giver, you position the gift for increase. Prayer: Lord, I receive my gift from you. Step 2. Steward what you have. Luke 16:10. Proverbs 21:5. Luke 16:10 reminds us whoever can be trusted with little can also be trusted with much. Wealth begins with faithfulness. Create a simple budget. Track your spending. Eliminate waste. Give every dollar an assignment. Proverbs 21:5 teaches the plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance. Small, steady steps done consistently build lasting increase. Step 3. Be radically generous. Proverbs 11:25-2, Corinthians 9:6-8. Proverbs 11:25 declares a generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. Generosity is not losing, it's planting. 2 Corinthians 9:6-8 reminds us whoever sows generously will also reap generously, and God is able to bless you abundantly. Give with a willing heart, bless people quietly, aim your giving at kingdom impact. This week, 3 simple actions. 1. Thanking God daily for the ability He's given you. Deuteronomy 8:18. 2. Choose one stewardship habit to improve budget track or save. Luke 16:10. 3. Practice one intentional act of generosity. Proverb 11:25. Remember, your wealth isn't just for you. It's meant to advance God's kingdom, bless families, and build legacy. Walk in His blueprint, and let your resources become part of an eternal story. Subscribe for more scripture-based money wisdom, and let's build lasting treasure in heaven.